Welcome to this short video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into a yarn crochet design. I'm working in the yarn crochet converter. This is a GPT that I created, and I'm going to show you how the image come out. Okay, first thing I'm going to upload a picture in here. I have this Black History picture uploaded. There are also a conversation starter over here. You can upload your image and click on one of these, and it will convert it for you. Black History Month, I will send it, and here it is. And then I'm going to turn this into thinking. Go here, I'm going to put it in thinking, okay? And then I'm going to choose one of these. Let's say I choose single crochet. It's ask you here, pick one of these popular options and tell me your choice. Once you choose, I'll turn your design into realistic and crafted jacket right away. I will pick single crochet, and I will send it, and it will turn my work into single crochet. Look here, the creator recommends GP 5.2 instant, and you are using thinking. I changed the instant into thinking. So it will take a little bit longer, it will think, and it will turn it for you into an image, okay? Let me see if we can get to our image. Okay, the image is still in here. Yeah, we want it in single crochet. Let's see what we will get. Okay, you see how it came out? Black History Month, how it came out. And what I do, I just I download it, okay? Download it, bring it into Canva. Let me see here. I'm gonna work with it over here, and I'm going to upload it. Upload right here. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to remove the background. Okay, you see it here. I'm gonna drag it a little bit, make it bigger. Okay, the red here, if I want, I can make the red different. You see, I can make it red, or I can keep it on the dark red. The green also, I can choose another green. You see that? And the black, oh, the black is not to change. Okay, so you see, so I have this file here with the transparent background. Now I can download it as a PNG. Download it as a PNG, page 24. I'm gonna download with a transparent background, PNG, choose here page 24, done, download, okay. I have downloaded it, you see it's downloading here. Actually, I should have a Black History Month over here. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to duplicate this page, and then I'm gonna create a mock-up for it. If you have a t-shirt, like a blank t-shirt you can use, I'll go with elements. I'll type in here shirts. We go to photos. We can use shirts in here. Okay. Look for nice ones. Let's say this one. Make it bigger. Okay. And I'll go to position and I'll send it to the back. And then I have it here. And then I have my mockup. And I'm going to download my mockup also. PNG, page 25, done. Now I have a file and a mockup. So I will upload this in Etsy or wherever I sell my files, and I'll put this as a mockup to show how it will be on a shirt. Thank you so much for watching.